Trading plan. One of the key features of the My Profile section is that it allows you to update your spending requirements so that you and your business development manager work together on a trading plan to make trading with Bartercard even more effective for your business. To access the Bartercard trading plan, simply select My Profile from the menu and then Trading Plan. The trading plan is split into 6 sections, which include business, lifestyle, and investment questions, an extra income calculator, the cost of a trade dollar, business expenses, lifestyle expenses, and suppliers. Simply select the appropriate tab to complete the relevant information fields as required. Business, lifestyle, and investment questions. Trading plan questions are designed to gain information that will provide Bartercard with a better understanding of your business and lifestyle needs and wants. Either click to select the appropriate checkbox options or typing answers to questions. Extra income calculator. The extra income calculator is designed to assist you in setting realistic goals on how much additional business you would like to take through Bartercard. Cost of trade dollar. The cost of trade dollar will show you what it costs to make one trade dollar and the discount you'll receive when you purchase using your own product or service. Business expenses. The business expenses will identify where you can potentially conserve cash by offsetting cash business expenses by using Bartercard. Lifestyle expenses. The lifestyle expenses will identify where you can potentially conserve cash by offsetting cash lifestyle expenses by using Bartercard. Suppliers. Are there any current or potential suppliers that you would like us to approach on your behalf to help you achieve your goals sooner? Simply enter the details of the supplier you wish to do business with and discuss with your Bartercard representative when you meet next. Please contact your business development manager for any assistance you may require with your trading plan. Thank you for watching.